me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and thank you for being here. Today's video very different from what I've been doing on my channel, but then I do love fashion and clothes. I'm not the best out there, but I love to like put things together, try new things, play with things. But there's a catch, and that is the majority of these pieces were thrifted for less than $1, guys. Let's see how I did with putting together 2 pairs of pants, 1 skirt, about 3 tops and 2 jackets. That's all I had in this video. Please comment down below. I love chatting with you guys and hearing your thoughts. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So for me, one of the things that I think every girl should have in their closet is a striped button-down shirt, like this one right here. You need this. And guys, I thrifted this as well. This is a Ralph Lauren, and just look at the quality. I mean, oh my gosh, everybody needs this in their wardrobe. If you do not have a button down striped shirt, please get one. I am telling you, it literally elevates your look all the time. It never fails. Okay, with this next piece, I was a bit skeptical on this one, but I think it turned out okay. And it's like a little bit oversized, but I love the color. It's got this I'd like to say linen material. So let me know if this is something you would add in your wardrobe. But I think the looks that I put together, it worked, but let me know what you think.
Crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
But I got this shirt because I couldn't find I initially wanted a bodysuit, but then I purchased this one that I had. This wasn't thrifted, though it wasn't expensive, but it's got this nice ribbed design, very stretchy. I decided to pair this with jeans and a couple of other things. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have something like this in your wardrobe, how you would style it. But let me know. Let's check out the looks I did.
My body's so crazy, baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
I am a sucker for orange. Orange. I mean, orange on dark skin, chef's kiss. So this is what I put out of my closet, this little top. I think it's cute. It's got this little design over here that I love. I did a couple of looks with this one, and I really like how it came out.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Another item that I feel every lady should have in her wardrobe is straight denim jeans. Okay, don't get me wrong, skinny jeans will always be in, I believe. I love skinny jeans, but I mean the straight denim jeans, oh my god. I feel like they really elevate your style. They just give you that, you know, classy feel. So this, you have to have one in your wardrobe. If you don't, please get you some straight denims and you won't go wrong. So let's see how we style this one.
I won't be around while you chase. You won't hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
This particular material material. I don't know what it's called, but these are just like straight beige brown pants. And I think pants are in right now. Like if you don't want to go for tights or jeans, I think just get you like some nice straight pants. Another way to elevate your look. So I love this color in particular because it gives minimalistic, it gives chic, it gives she knows fashion, or she's trying to know fashion. So yeah, I think I put this one together well. It's one of the thrifted items for less than $1. So let's
Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride.
this. I love, absolutely love. I bought it for winter, but it hasn't been cold yet. But I really love this, and I think everyone should have some sort of coat, trench coat in their wardrobe, like green, brown, black. Good go-to colors because they're very easy to mix up.
You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shot glass.
I did not have a Zara jacket in my closet. I did not have any type of black blazer in my closet, but I had this oversized kind of sweater jersey. I don't know what to call it, but I had it lying around in my closet, so I thought, oh, let me see how I can put this together in place of a black blazer. It's interesting how I styled it. I hope you guys like it, but let's check it out. Everybody should have a skirt or a denim skirt in their wardrobe because I feel like it's one of those things that's gonna come and go, but it doesn't hurt to own one just in case you want to go for something playful, something fun. You know, you can always pull out a little short skirt. I think you won't go wrong. So let's see how we style it.
Step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
And then for accessories, I had this pair of glasses, wore this pair of glasses as well. Here's another pair. For the bags, I only used, believe it or not, 2 bags. I just kept switching out the ropes. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, only 2 bags for all the looks. I had this black bag. This is my go-to. I love it. It's big enough for everything. It's stylish enough. So I kept switching out this rope with this rope right here. So if you have bags where you can change the ropes, I think it's a good idea for you to just switch them up because it makes you look like you're carrying a different bag, but it's just the same bag. So this bag and this bag, that's the only 2 bags that I used today. So I tried to keep it really simple. I also wore 2 different hats in this video, so let me show you. This one and my favorite go-to cap. It's kind of, you know, lost its shape, but I love it. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get chatting. Give me advice. Let me know if you picked up 1 or 2 things from my video. If you know more than I do, please, I'm happy to learn from you guys. So let's get chatting. Please do share my video with your friends, with your family, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, and join the family. And I'm so grateful for the 300 family members we have right now. I'm so grateful. So I'll see you in the next one, and please do let me know if you want to see more of this type of videos, fashion videos, because I love to try on stuff and just make this type of videos for you guys. So if you want to see more, please do let me know. But thank you for being here.